animal models that are being done, these are regulatory mandated studies. Ours is not a regulatory tool yet. We plan to make it a regulatory tool one day, if possible. But it's a right time to do it because there is also a lot of animal ethics issues are also involved. Just killing the animals for no drug is coming out is also an ethical issue, basically.
Yeah, correct.
Right?
Yeah.
So, for that reason, if we can bring a tool and show to the regulatory agencies that our tool is better than animal tools that can capture, we're not saying to regulatory agencies that get rid of the animal trials. Maybe you can prioritize our trials first and only do the animal trials that are minimum required. But EPA, Environmental Protection Agency in the US, has already promised by 2035 they'll completely eliminate animal studies by using 3D bioprinting tools.
They have said that.
They've said that. They already gave a public
so
announcement.
animal testing is completely gone by 2035.
Exactly. That they promised it. So this is kind of research that we need. But what is missing in this toolbox is the reagents that predict the human outcomes.
Okay.
What I mean by reagents is that if you take a liver, right, human liver,
Okay.
liver has 5 different cell types.
Yeah.
They all interact with each other in the liver.
Okay.
If I put one drug and put up one enzyme there, the cascade goes on, you don't know what's happening in the liver.
Okay.
Human liver. That you cannot study with an animal liver.
Understood. You understood. So
So how do we get it? So there are different ways of creating these organoids. People are doing it now. What we are doing is a 3D bioprinting. Organoids, spheroids, 3D bioprinting tools. What people are doing is they're combining these 5 different cell types and creating an organoid. Or they're differentiating stem cells to liver-like organs. Okay. So there are different ways of doing this, but everybody's idea is to be able to create human-like liver.
Human-like liver
that I can work in outside.
in the lab.
In the lab.
Yeah. And
Like
how many companies are there which are doing something on those
In
lines?
the US, there are lots of companies. I can't even count US and Europe. There's one company called Emulate that has made miles. Right now, they're even working with the FDA to actually make this model toxicology relevant model for human liver. Because, as I said, many drugs fail in the clinic due to safety issues. Primarily is a liver safety issue. The secondary is the kidney issue. Not kidney, heart issue. And kidney issue, third one. So, they're primarily creating for that reason. Can they reduce or minimize the liver toxicity failures by using this liver organoid on a chip model, and they're collaborating with the FDA to be able to screen a lot of compounds. You and me only can look at the literature on the PubMed and everything that we know what's published.
Correct.
A lot of companies don't publish their data outside. That data is actually with the FDA.
Correct.
Right? So if you collaborate with the FDA is going to give you the drugs that you don't even know that exist and died because of the hepatic failures.
Meaning there are some private markets that, these are private companies which are submitting to the FDA, so they are
Right,
the biggest
exactly. But they
repository.
don't many times give the reason why their drugs fail.
Yeah.
That information is only with the FDA available.